guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about my experience with the Currentbody LED Light Therapy Mask. So let me explain what you will see in this video because it was taken all throughout a little over a month. You will see me changing a lot, an unboxing of the kit that you receive at home when you buy it, and then you will have a first impressions try out of the mask. And you will see me check in after a little over a month to give you my final thoughts and also show you how my skin has changed through photographs that I've taken. At the end of the video, you will also have a discount code if you want to buy the mask, which is pretty expensive, so it's a really good thing to have a discount. And if you have any questions throughout the video, let me know in the comments down below. Without any further ado, let's go.
Right, so this is the box, and inside you'll find the mask itself, which has LEDs already built in basically, and it has a cord. You will attach this. This is actually the power station, so to say, that you plug in through a USB, and in the box you also find the USB charging cord. Then you also find a little textile pouch in case you're very sensitive to the light and the LEDs disturb you.
Okay, let's try it for the first time. So this is the strap. I'm gonna put the mask. Okay, right. Should be good. I feel like Emily in Paris already. And I have a little device there, which is a neck massager. So this is what I'm gonna do in these 10 minutes. Ooh, so excited. Relaxing time. All right. It's like a spa day at home. There you go. Neck massager is on. I'm gonna turn this on. And goodbye for 10 minutes. Really easy. Actually, it didn't sting, it didn't burn. It was just relaxing, and you can keep your eyes open with it very easily. I didn't need the goggles. Okay, I feel like I'm super relaxed because I paired it with the neck massager, so I'm really in a state of calm, and this is great because it means that not only will you have benefits on your skin, but you also have those 10 minutes a day where you really think about nothing else. You detach completely. It's 10 minutes of relaxation that will probably reset your mind for the day, so, or for the night. So yeah, great first impressions, and I took some photos. Yeah, I will see the progress so that I can check the progress and I can share my progress with you. Check the instructions very carefully because at the beginning I didn't know it, and it's a good thing I checked before I actually used it because no SPF. Don't wear SPF when you use it. You can wear your eye cream, you can wear your serum, but without SPF. This was my first impression. Let's jump to the future me. Hey guys, it's now been a little over a month that I've been trying the Currentbody LED Light Therapy Mask, and I think this video and this footage really speaks volumes of my experience, because I'm sure that you can see from the footage before how much my skin has changed. I don't think I've ever seen my skin in this state. The mask is this one, and behind it you will find a lot of little LED lights. Now this is something that has been proven by a lot of studies that LED light or infrared light has a positive effect on the skin, and especially if your skin is inflamed, it reduces inflammation and calms the skin down, and it also has positive anti-aging effects. This is a treatment that was previously only available in salons and specialized aestheticians or dermatologists. Currentbody has decided to bring the salon and the spa to us, to our home. It's supposed to be used between 3 and 5 days a week. Personally, in the first 4 weeks, I think I've used it every day. And in those 10 minutes, you can also do something else. You can watch TV, you can use your phone, you can do whatever you want, because you have this little elastic band that actually goes behind your head and keeps the mask up. Or you can just lay down and use your goggles and just relax. Personally, I don't use the goggles. Well, I hope you don't hear this, but it's been going on since May. So I cannot really do anything about this. Someone is doing some renovation works in my building. Love using the mask for those 10 minutes a day. I love using it in combination with my neck massager. So I just lay down, I close my eyes for 10 minutes and really truly relax and calm down. So the benefit of it is a benefit on the skin, but it's also your excuse to really relax, unwind, and take deep breaths. Do some meditation if you want. And I found the overall experience really pleasant. Let's talk more in depth about my result. On the anti-aging front, I'm not sure I see much, to be honest with you. I've seen a little bit maybe of reduction of my melasma. Where I've seen a significant reduction is in my redness, especially here, so on my cheeks and on my forehead. I had a lot of spidery veins from my rosacea. I have a lot less, especially on this side. On this side there's still a little bit more because I was using a product and it broke me up ridiculously, and I'm still paying a price for it. Also on the front of my skin texture, I don't know if you can see that, but I find my skin really healthy at the moment, so much so that I've been going out without any makeup and I haven't felt conscious at the beginning. I purposely went out without makeup thinking that my skin was looking really healthy and I was happy about it. This paired with my custom Dermatica formula really helped my texture and my rosacea. The good news is that I have discount codes for you. Find some links down below for both things, and you will have a discount code to use on those links to receive 15% off of your Currentbody mask. And I think 15% off of this mask is truly a very nice reduction, because obviously this mask is really expensive in a period, especially a day. With this day was incredible. It was the first time I noticed that my skin had changed a lot, and I thought, oh my god, my skin looks beautifully healthy and I want to go out without my makeup. I will continue to use it because I really want to target my melasma now. I am so thankful and grateful to Currentbody for sending me the mask, and also for giving me the opportunity to give you guys 15% off of this mask. I will remind you once again, you will find all the links down below. If you're also curious about my Dermatica experience, because I mentioned in this video, I'll leave you the video right here that you can watch next. Until next time, bye!